Who know that think lava ate me? I me ate lava in a real life. People are not so lava they eat me in a real life, you know. So that's why I'm shocked. What do you lava? Me see you put a chop in the tree when Sass come out of your house, you know. When my dog come out of your house and see that the shiny bumbuckler boy there, you know. When time my dog see the shiny boy, me have to say, he's Sass, he's. Cause any of me never say he's, you know. Me know say she tear your bumbuckler part, you know, daddy. So you no continue. Me just set my dog for one for this year. I will pay the charges. Me just want to come on me yard front and I send out my pit bull make you tear on our blood clot part. You know lava choke more Sass grab him, you know, man. Well, and you see a shiny piece, my dog just a pick out him bumbuckler dead, so yeah, but every minute I'm not trouble, man. Some of them won't come pick up blood clot lava. Me can't do that, cause lava just bring me down straight, you know. Them man they never big me up yet, you know. Some days I don't come and say, yo, Jano, big up my brother lava. You see me big up my general. You see me big up my boss. You see me I'm a G. That enough days I can't even come here so come say big up my general. Because I bring lava, bring me down. As I have a cup of line lava for bring me down. Me I sleep with dog, me I sleep in a toilet, me I sleep back. You can never hear lava cup of lava and say, boy, I'm not telling no lie, you know. You know, it's a friend of what day. Don't behave yourself. Don't go on good. Never yet. Uncle somebody see him praise every day a world dog like him a batty man, you know. Every day, world dog this, world dog that. Yo, let me call world dog. Let me call world dog this, world dog that. Yeah. But when he come out to Pretti Don now, yeah man. No, see blood clot Pretti Don. Be a blood clot dog here then a Pretti Don mouth corner. When you look at a Pretti Don locks, them a be a blood clot dog here. When you look at a blood clot Pretti Don brief, them a be a dog here. Dog there, dog everywhere. You never you'll have a big me up yet. You'll have a that no sir. That the bar fly shit pit. Me never hear my virgin say nothing good about me at a bumbo clad. Never. As lava got live, he makes the point that duty for this me. Or in giant somebody if you make them blood clot vanish me if planet hurt, you know. Yeah man, as lava got live, yeah lava now. My bumbo clad. Also I'm out done. More think a pussy and yeah. I be at them something me, I can't get it. Me I wonder when. If a silent hate or a silent love this. Because to the media, people who know that thing lava ate me, and me ate lava in a real life. People are not so lava they eat me in a real life, you know. So that's why I'm shocked when me come up on live and eat lava behave the way how it behave because lava behaves some way. Oh, dirty, Pretti Don, nice. Hear this me every day, half a line, pan line in front of my face. Me used to him can't go on. Me knows him out me. Him never have nothing good to say about me. Them the boy, hear this me for nothing at all. If he have a bad day, I Pretti Don in this. If he now go good for ear and that's have it. Suck pussy Pretti Don, but think a pussy that dog. Listen, you be a fuck. I be a watch coming. Yeah, you know him just not rate me none at all. Listen me. But lava now. Lava is like a back and belly rat. Isn't it? Lava is a back and belly. Because in a real life, lava not deal with me, sir. Lava do not in a real life, but I don't expect. Some of the time, the more I expect for the lava come from my life, I say, wow, go on, G. Oh, why when lava come from my life, it's a disrespectful. You see me? And I like when me go up and chat and laugh, and I say, walk on, brother. Walk on, me general. No. Them money can't come on my life and come be here, so. When them money come on my life, yeah, the man, oh, Jesus Christ. One bag of fake locks. All them the locks, they look frozen. Look how them look like you're full of dark here. It puzzling. I mean, why you don't want the fans everything you eat high? Why you gonna bring down high? Eh? Why you gonna do that? I'm gonna cuss your blood. Anytime Lava do it again, people, I'm gonna beat him. And I'm gonna beat Lava real crucial. Yeah. Lava, you hear how me I want you today? Don't make me forget that cheese here. Because you know the tree on the boundary. You try if you chop it down already. And you see you never succeed. So here one now. You see next time you hear say nothing at all in a no kind of bumbuck land, fuck up with you, me go beat you, man. I'm not gonna give you a friendly beating this time. Me gonna give you a done beating them one good blood clot beating. Meaning me gonna search your file them for 6, 7, 10 years back. See all of the little fuck ups and mishaps them where they have and just put it in a one live and beat your blood clot about it. You hear me I tell you? So you see next time, remember you know, all of me laundry up on it in next year. You see next time you come with your fucker, me I go do what me normally do. Go do my research and come and flag you under the tree. I'm gonna give you a proper flagging. And when me say one time I say a flagging I don't mean like put you over my leg, me mean me I go use one fan card and give you some blood clot like when me done beat you, you're black and blue. Dirty lava, no rate nobody. Real dog, don't tell me, don't tell me that, real dog. Don't tell me that. Real dog diss me every day. Every day your real dog diss me. Real dog.
Oh, you don't know when somebody rate you.
You rate me, but you get me glad because you diss me every day. You make me know that.
No.
Yes.
Lava rate you. Lava rate
me.
Lava rate you too away. Nobody can come to me and tell me say Lava say nothing about me. Lava call me and tell me that. Lava tell me fuck up. Lava rate you. As a dog, I mean I tell you, like how you say me rate you, you know me rate you, Lava rate you. He fuck up sometime, you know, but Lava rate you. Lava not disrespect none of it. You see me? Let me tell you, dog. You see when people will run joke with you every day and then big you up. Enough people run joke with you and take it serious and now big up you. If Lava big ups and get serious pan chat and laugh and give her props. And say you see Dana hero without them chat and laugh who do make. So when you say Lava and rate you done, I'm not gonna agree with you on
no,
that.
Me not say
I agree.
Hero.
Why you say that, Camille?
I agree.
You agree with Dana or you agree with me?
No, I agree with you.
Oh, all right then. You see,
Lava,
and the wife
no,
say,
hero.
and the wife say, I agree with you. Yeah, me
Lava, me not say.
Dan, Lava call me every day. Lava call me every day when the party are going, and he said, you see if Dan not have his own table in a party, me now forward. You see if Dan not do this, Dan now forward. That Lava, look out for me and you. If Lava get a odds, Lava call you and make sure say me and you make a 3 or 4 bills off it. Don't do that, Dan. Yeah, you know, see, you're overphobic. you're overphobic, dog. Big man thing, bro, God. You're overphobic, dog.
No. Yeah, that means I won't.
You're overphobic, bro. Yeah, you get up every minute, every day, and you cuss for not all, dog. Not all, you cuss for. Sometimes you get up and cuss for no reason. Why you see 2 minutes, say? Dan, me never pay no mind, dog. I Lava rate you. He asked you to take it to art. Big man thing. Yo,
Make him
man,
take
just
it to
call me.
Bumbo. Hey,
Yo, the man just call me and say,
Lava.
that.
You see, any day me willfully beat you for you will blood clot no, cause you know a bad you don't get a beat from me yet, man. You ever go do my track record? You see me ever beat you know.
Lava rate you, bro.
Me not beat Lava now yet, man. Remember, Lava me a king a beating boy, a queen a beating, Verma for diet a beating boy, you know. I make you out beating and them have to hold that. Me not care who. I have to get a beating from Dan and hold that. You see me, I did a lick that get. You see me?
Yo, stop get up and cuss the people. Stop get up every week you get up and cuss the man. The man just call me. Yo, here go up and pretty Dan. Me go over there. Yo, cuss the man. The man rated dog. You think, yo, look what kind of people cuss the man.
Sometimes Lava for fuck off though. I start making whole world feel like say yo, if Lava deal with me so good in a real life, but life, Lava hardly deal with me bumbucklat good. Once in a bumbucklat while. But in a real life, you're going to deal with me so good. So we must feel away. So fuck Lava. Make him go suck himself. If him feel away, brother, me feel away.
Listen to me. Listen to me. The dog, let me tell you, Pretti Don.
No, if it, no man, if it stop
La-
me after
no.
the year, and I diss
Done.
me for ear too much.
Listen
If
to
you calm it down. Calm down that bumbo clad. Calm it down. If you deal with me, see
No.
you playing a bumbo
Pretti
clad,
Don.
so I'll get me
Pretti
mad.
Don,
out.
this is
You'll get me mad.
bro,
Yeah?
Pretti Don, this is entertainment. And this is entertainment. Let me show you how this
Yeah,
is
so I tell
entertainment.
the entertainment if you drag me down, I don't like it. I'm going to tell him that all the while. And
But your
you
wife,
them never
look
win
about
for
time
the
we call
reason
your wife
bumbo
name,
clad.
and your wife will tell us you're wrong. Look about time we say, Camille, you can't piss in peace, because your mouth under Camille. Camille never feel no way. Camille never do this. You're entertainer, you need to start. You need to start judge yourself for all type feelings. Listen what me I say, Dan. You see, Lava, Lava, I'm a friend. Lava can say anything where you want to say about me. Because me a Lava friend. No stranger boy can't say nothing about me. Because me turn on me live and tell me to suck you, mama. But me a Lava friend. So Lava can say anything about me. When me a
And
your
then,
friend,
hey,
you deal
if
with me
Lava to
any
sit before me, and me cuss Lava can't say nothing about that, he must
So
hold
that me I
that.
try to tell you.
He must
My
hold
friend can't
that.
tell me anything. But
Anything
if
what
a
we say to
stranger
you,
tell
Lava,
me
you
nothing, I
hold
tell you
that.
about you, mama.
But, no, who?
No, me I tell you, say, my friend deal with me anyhow, but a stranger can't deal with me anyhow.
No,
You know
man,
why?
no,
Because
no
my
mother
friend a friend.
argument, man. No mother argument. No
No,
mother argument.
no, you me say, no,
I like that.
Lava, yeah, cuss Lava because Lava cuss you sometime.
Oh,
And
yes,
rain
man.
way.
A big
But
way,
you want
man.
one. You have to behave yourself and come out of your feelings. You understand? You can't so angry and ugly at the same time. Choose one.
True.
So choose one. And stop get up. You know, say, people
Yeah,
argue, say, yo,
yeah,
people argue,
choose
say, oh,
ugly.
Pretti Don never cuss ear yet. Oh, people, I mean, I say, you know why? Pretti Don have a respect for me, I mean, I have a respect for Pretti Don. You know why? Because I now go turn on my life and cuss her. Brother say, Pretti Don, you're wrong. I mean, have your number. So anything me take personal, me take up here and call her. You notice nothing me talk on the live. After that, me never take up my phone and call you. Because that's entertainment. I'm not going to bring certain things to you. Because me and your friend off the internet. And me and your love our friend off the internet. So anything you call him and talk to him. You see me? You just
You
get
know
up
how
every day
much
with
time
that name.
you know how much
Get up
time
every day with that
you left
name
me
catch
there,
yourself. You just get up every day with that name catch yourself and trouble people who don't trouble you. People who rate you.
Exactly.
Yeah, bro. Where we are go, man?
I'm gonna go for it.
Yo. Where we are go, man? Me I walk going at the bank. I'm so link you back.
Yeah, the money's rough.
I'm going at the bank. I'm link you back, my G.
Yes, sir.
All right. Yeah, and I treat I'm so far. I'm going at the bank. I'm so jealous. All right.
Oh, you got to know your feelings, you don't want the Lava. Oh, Lava, me not say about nothing what me say today now. Go and move your bum buckle on. You see me? You see any of you feel today? Some of the days I want to talk, and some me feel too. So just hold that one day. Me not care how you feel a bum buckle on. But me and me tree now, me I go finish pack up the thing now, because me tell you, say, me I switch the tree. You see me?